Hi guys! Today we're making an eco-friendly reusable shopping bag. But not only that, it's also a foldable one that can easily fit in your purse so you have it on hand at any time. Now, I am making a pretty large one, but you can adapt it to any size you like. Okay, let's get started, shall we? This is the pouch where we'll be storing the bag. So the bigger the bag, the larger the pouch you need to make. If by any chance you decide to make a smaller bag or one with a thinner fabric for that matter, you can totally make it smaller. It also serves as an inside pocket when you're using the bag. It's also important to make sure you find the middle of the fabric to locate your pouch on, because if you sew it to the side, for example, it will be harder to fold the shopping bag into it. Okay, so now we're repeating this step on the other side of the bag. We're almost done. All there's left to do is to add an outside seam to reinforce the interior seams, and that makes the bag much sturdier, which is exactly what we want for a shopping bag, right? And that's it. Your reusable shopping bag is ready to go. So, what do you think? If you tried this design, don't forget to let me know how it went, okay? Drop me a comment below with your opinion or just to say hi.